What is the most dangerous substance in the universe? It is not a supermassive black hole. It is something the size of a single marble. Welcome to the terrifying physics of strange matter. Deep inside the crushed cores of neutron stars, gravity is so violent that atoms dissolve, forming an ultradense substance called a strangelet. But there is a horrifying catch. Strange matter is fundamentally contagious. If two neutron stars collide in the dark void, microscopic fragments of this matter are ejected into deep space. They drift silently for billions of years, completely invisible and freezing cold. If just one microscopic piece touches our planet, it would trigger an unstoppable chain reaction. It would instantly infect every single atom on Earth, completely rewriting the laws of physics. In a matter of hours, our oceans, our cities, and your own body would be transformed into a cold, dead, lifeless lump of strange matter. These invisible fragments are already floating out there in the dark. If one is silently approaching Earth right now, how would we ever know before it is too late?